So I just came across LiteRT-LM, this new open source framework from Google for deploying large language models on edge devices. Pretty cool, right?
Absolutely. It's fascinating how they're focusing on edge devices. I mean, deploying on something like a Raspberry Pi. That's quite a leap.
Right? I never thought edge devices could handle such advanced models. But then I wonder, is the performance really on par with what we see on servers?
That's a great point. They mention hardware acceleration with GPU and NPU support, which should help, but can they really match server performance?
And what about that Gemma 4 support? It can run across various platforms like Linux, macOS, and even iOS. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, Gemma 4 seems to be a game changer, especially with its multimodality, supporting both vision and audio inputs. It's like having a mini AI powerhouse.
But is it too good to be true? I mean, what challenges might arise with such a broad feature set on edge devices?
Good question. There could be limitations in battery life or processing speed on smaller devices. What about application development? That could get tricky.
Exactly. Think about developers trying to optimize applications for both performance and battery life. It's a balancing act.
And while they're making it easier to deploy with the CLI, I wonder how user-friendly it actually is for non-technical users.
Right? If it's not intuitive, that could deter smaller developers or hobbyists from experimenting with it. Have you tried using it yet?
Not yet, but the Quick Start Guide looks promising. It allows trying it out without writing code, which is a big plus.
That's a smart move. It lowers the barrier to entry. But I'm curious, how does it handle function calling within the models?
That's interesting. They say it supports function calling for agentic workflows. It's basically how AIs can interact and utilize tools.
Right, but it makes me think, what are the implications of AIs using tools autonomously? Are we ready for that?
That could lead to some ethical concerns. If an AI can operate tools, does it need oversight? We might be stepping into a gray area here.
True, plus there's the issue of accountability. If something goes wrong, who's responsible, the developer or the AI?
Exactly. And let's not forget about data privacy. If these models are processing sensitive information, that raises a lot of questions.
Right, on-device processing is supposed to enhance privacy, but that doesn't eliminate risks. I can see a lot of debate ahead.
Totally. But think about the potential for local AI. It could mean faster responses and less dependency on cloud services.
That's a great upside. A faster, more efficient experience could really boost user satisfaction. It's like having a personal assistant.
And to think, all this is happening on devices we carry in our pockets. It's pretty mind-blowing.
For sure, but as we embrace these advancements, how do we also prepare for the challenges they bring?
That's the big question, isn't it? It's all about balance, innovation, and responsibility.
And keeping the conversation going about ethical implications. So do you think we'll see widespread adoption soon?
I think it will take time, especially as developers navigate these complexities. But the groundwork is definitely being laid.
Yeah, and with Google backing it, there's a good chance we'll see improvements and updates that streamline the process.
Exactly. They're building a strong ecosystem around it. It's going to be exciting to watch how it evolves.
And who knows, maybe it'll lead to breakthroughs we haven't even thought of yet. What an adventure ahead.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see both the innovations and the discussions that arise from this.
So what's our takeaway? Embrace the tech, but keep questioning its impact.
Exactly. Stay curious and critical. That's how we'll navigate this ever-evolving landscape.
I love that, and let's keep each other updated on any new developments with LiteRT-LM and its journey.
Definitely, sharing discoveries is half the fun. Let's keep exploring.
For sure, who knows what we'll uncover next.
That's the thrill of it. Here, as to more curious conversations ahead.
Cheers to that until next time.
Until then.